Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my tutorial. In this lesson, we're going to explore some improvisational solo ideas in the key of E minor. What we'll be doing is playing the G major scale across an E minor chord progression. How come we can get away with that? Well, the reason is E minor and G major are relative to each other. In other words, they share the same notes. The G major scale is G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. And the E minor scale is E, F sharp, G, A, B, C, D, E. The notes are exactly the same. The E minor scale starts on E, and the G major scale, quite naturally, starts on G. The scales start and end at different points, or modes. The G major scale is the Ionian mode, and the E minor scale is the Aeolian mode of G major. And don't let those names throw you. They're just names. The important thing is that we need to keep track of which notes work together. We're going to be playing against an E minor backing track that uses these chords: E minor 7, A/C sharp, F sharp 7 flat 9, and B minor 7 sharp 5. Let me show you how to make those chords. We're going to form our E minor 7 by going to fret 7 and barring everything from the A string down. We're going to bring in a finger to the B string, fret 8, and the D string, fret 9, and strum all the strings. We'll play our A/C sharp by barring to make an A chord at fret 2, and then we're going to play the A string at fret 4. And that is our A/C sharp, an A chord with a C sharp in the bass. We'll play F sharp 7 flat 9 this way. I'm holding down the A string at fret 9, the D string at fret 8, the G string at fret 9, and I'm holding my finger down to get that B string at fret 8, and that's what I'm looking for. I don't need the high E string, just those strings. And then a B minor 7 sharp 5. I'm going to hold down everything from the D string down at fret 7, like that, put my thumb in there to get the low E string at fret 7, and that's a B minor 7, and I'm going to take that middle finger and put it on the B string at fret 8. That's what I'm after. You can also play that chord by doing this: holding down these 3 strings like that, holding down that E string at fret 7, and then bringing that little finger up to fret 8. I'm muting the A string. That's just an alternate way of playing that chord. Now that we have our chords down, Let's play them along with our backing track. For our first solo idea, we'll use the G major scale. We'll play the G major scale like this. You want to practice that scale until you can play it fluently. I'm playing that by starting on fret 3 on the E string, fret 5, the A string fret 2, 3, and 5, the D string fret 2, 4, and 5, the G string fret 2, 4, 5, the B string fret 3, 5, and the high E string fret 2 and 3. So that's I want to be able to play that both ways, ascending and descending, going up higher in pitch and then lower in pitch. Now if I want some more options, I can add more notes to the scale by going to the low E string, because E is in the G major scale. E, F sharp, G. That's the open 2nd fret to the 3rd fret. So then I start my scale. When I get to G at fret 3, I can go to fret 5. That's an A. It's also in my scale, so I can go. So that gives me more options. Let's play along with our track using the G major scale. For our next solo idea, we'll use a G major 7 chord shape. That's fret 5 on the D string, fret 4 on the G string, fret 3 on the B string, and fret 2 on the high E. Now if we want to add some notes to that, we can go to fret 3, which is a G, that's in the G major scale. We can go to fret 5, as we said before, so we can go and then here's F sharp. So we have all these notes. Let's play those notes with our track. For our next improvisational idea, we'll use triads. A triad is a 3-note chord. Here's a G major triad. That is at fret 7 on the G string, fret 8 on the B string, and fret 7 on the high E. Like that. We can also play an E minor triad here. That's at fret 7 on the high E, fret 8 on the B string, and fret 9 on the G string. What we'll attempt to do is to mix up those notes. Like that. We can also go up to fret 12 and bar it and play the D, G, and B strings for a G major chord. And we can pick notes out of it. We've also got E minor here. That's the G, B, and high E. We can also do some tricks like this at the 12th fret. We can start at a fret before on the 11th fret and move into the 12th fret. All the notes on the 12th fret are in the key of G major or E minor. So we can go and we can pick them any way we want. So let's try those with our track. Now we're going to take all the elements that we discussed and combine them into a solo. Here we go. Well, alright my friends, that's my tutorial for playing the G major scale notes across an E minor chord progression. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.
Thank you.